Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a really sensitive but crucial topic. What to do when your husband seems to be ignoring you. This isn't about blame. It's about understanding and rebuilding connection. Ignoring can feel like a slow fade, a disconnect that leaves you feeling alone and unheard in your own marriage. It's a pain point for so many, and the desire to fix it, to reignite that spark, is completely understandable. So, if you're nodding along, feeling that distance, the first step isn't confrontation, but introspection. Ask yourself, when did this start? What might be contributing factors, both for him and for you? Sometimes the silence isn't personal malice, but a symptom of stress, overwhelm, or even a fear of conflict. We need to approach this with empathy, not just for yourself, but for his perspective too, even if it's hard to see right now. Let me share you a brief story. A few years into Sarah's marriage, the house grew devastatingly quiet. Her husband, consumed by the crushing weight of financial stress and unexpressed burdens, retreated into a shell of silence. Sarah felt like a ghost in her own home, invisible and profoundly alone. Instead of letting that cold silence break her, she decided to try a different approach. One evening, she stopped waiting for him to bridge the gap, walked up to him, and gently placed her hand on his shoulder. With calm courage, she used an I statement saying, "I miss you. I feel like we're miles apart, and I want us back." That small, vulnerable spark shattered the wall between them. He broke down, confessing how overwhelmed he had been, and that simple conversation became the turning point that saved their marriage from the brink of loneliness. Next, and this is key, try initiating positive interactions. Instead of focusing on what's missing, try adding something good. Plan a date night, even a simple one at home. Suggest an activity you both used to enjoy. When you do connect, make it count. Be present, listen actively, and share your own feelings calmly. Express your need for connection using I statements, like, "I feel a little disconnected lately, and I miss our talks," rather than, "You always ignore me." This shift in approach can open doors that were previously shut, paving the way for those important conversations that can help save your marriage. Share your thoughts below, subscribe for more encouragement, and remember, every small step heals a heart.